Hey guys, this is a story called Another Perfect Day by Ross McDonald. The morning sun came streaming through Jack's bedroom window. Oh wow, he's got a lot of muscles. He kind of looks like a superhero. He must be. Look at him. He got up and looked out. Another perfect day. He got dressed. Boom! He blew into his clothes. Look at that. That's crazy. He ate breakfast, brushed his teeth, and exercised. How is he exercising? By tickling an alligator? That's crazy. That's silly. And he went out. Surrender, Earthling. Oh! He stopped to help out here and there. So he's beating up an alien and a robot? But by now he was running late. Look, he's catching a train from falling, so he caught the train to work. Life is rich. After work, he decided to walk home. This is turning out to be my most perfect day yet. But just then, just when he thought things couldn't possibly get any better, they didn't. Poof! Huh? In fact, things started to go a little funny. Oh my, what is he dressed like? A baby. He went to get his plane, but it looked a little funny. Huh? Oh, well, I better get a little home. Look, he's riding a tricycle before anything else goes wrong. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Whew, I think I lost them, but I don't get it. Why are all these terrible things happening? What happened to my perfect day? You didn't wake up yet. Eek! That's it. This is all a bad dream. I've got to wake up quick. So Jack tried everything, splashing water on his face, an alarm clock, everything. It's no use. I can't wake up. That's because you're doing it all wrong. First, you got to close your eyes and think about the sunlight starting to come into your window and the sounds of birds and the smell of breakfast being made. And sure enough, when Jack tried it, he woke up. Wake up, Jack. Oh my goodness, I think that was definitely all a dream. Bye, guys.